Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, welcome to the class.
Thank you.
Mr. Agung Krishnamurti,
Yes,
how should I call you then? Will it be Mr. Agung, Mr. Krishna, or Mr. Murti?
Mr. Agung, I think.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Mr. Agung.
Nice to meet you too, Miss.
Oh, you can call me Teti.
Oh,
Mhm. Mr. Agung, while we're waiting for the others, could you tell
yes.
a little bit about yourself? What do you do at UISI and what's your responsibility?
Uh, my job in UISI is to make sure everything about connectivity, internet, and system application to work properly in UISI. And if we in internal of our ICT. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm work in UISI as ICT,
Mhm.
and I am as programmer. So we in ICT develop a system where the member, oh, where the customer is our internal UISI needs to be developed.
I see. So whenever the others have problems with their connectivity later on, they will have to ask you, Mr.
Yes,
Agung, what's
maybe I
wrong
can help.
with you?" I see. Thank you very much for the introduction, Mr. Agung. Oh, I have
You're welcome.
mhm, uh who is this? Putri Uisi. Hello. Wait, how should I call it? WK Setiawan, Miss Lisa, and Miss Nur. Welcome to the class. So for our first introduction, since I haven't known any of you, I thought it would be the previous learners who have joined the classes before, but apparently this is a new batch. So I would like to know all of you personally. Okay. Mr. WK Setiawan. Hang on, let me check. Mr. Wahyu Kamal Setiawan, isn't it?
Yes, yes, correct. It's me.
Mr. Wahyu Kamal Setiawan, how would you like me to call you? Would it be Wahyu Kamal?
Yes, you can call me Wahyu or Kamal.
Okay then. Mr. Wahyu, I'm Teti. Nice to meet you. Could you please
Oh yeah,
tell us a little bit about yourself? What do you do? What's your responsibility?
yeah. My name is, as you can see in the screen, my name is WK Setiawan, and I use WK because it's my initial. And last time when I used this name, my friends call me Waka.
Weke,
It's
weke, weke.
not WK. No, it's Waka.
Oh, waka, 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 waka.
Yeah, and I'm a lecturer in agro-industrial department in UISI.
Pardon, what department, Mr. Wahyu?
Agro-industrial
Argo.
technology.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. That's my brief introduction. Thank
Hmm.
you.
What, sorry to ask for more information. What does Argo
Yes.
actually do, Mr. Wahyu?
Uh, Basically, I was graduated from environmental engineering, but I work in UIC in Department of Agro-Industrial Technology, and basically we learn about how to design a process regarding uh, agro cultural commodity and agricultural product. So we learn about the process.
So Does it mean that you are one of the teaching force?
Yes, yes. I am a lecturer in this department.
I see. Got it. Thank you, Mr. Wahid,
Yes.
introduction.
Thank you. Thank you.
We have Miss Nur, Miss Yeni, Miss Putri, Miss Lisa, who is just coming in, and Mr. Bagus. Could you please turn on your video so I can identify your faces for the first meeting? Ah, there you go. Hello, Mr. Bagus. What should I call you Mr. Bagus, or do you want me to call you Mr. Lastriano?
You can call me Bagus.
Sir, your voice is very low. I'm so sorry.
You can call me Bagus.
Ah, I see.
Maybe my nick is not good.
Yep, probably it is better if you just take off your headset and speak directly to the laptop.
My laptop problems.
Ah, I see. Okay, so Mr. Bagus,
Old laptop.
my name is Betty. It's nice to meet you. Um, could you please tell me a little bit about yourself? What do you do and what's your responsibility at UISI? Mr. Bagus? You are muted, Mr. Bagus. Okay, so what do you do, Mr. Bagus?
Staff on LTTMBC.
I'm
Yes.
I'm so sorry. Others, could you hear what Mr. Bagus said? Or is it just my connection?
We couldn't hear him.
Hello.
Hello? Okay, go on then, Mr. Bagus.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Bagus, go on.
You hear my voice?
A little bit, slightly, but
I'm sorry.
I can hear you now.
I changed my headset.
Oh, okay. We will wait for you then. Okay. Hello, Miss Putri, Miss Lisa, Miss Nur, Mr. Munandar, and Miss Nikmatul Aziza, Miss Yeni. My name is Tati. It's nice to meet you. Could you please introduce yourself? Just a little bit about your job. We'll start from Miss Putri, maybe. Miss Putri? Okay.
Hello.
Miss Putri, so sorry, your voice is also low.
Can you hear my voice? Hello.
Hello? Okay, go on then.
Okay. I'm Putri. No. You can call me Puput.
Puput. Ah, there you go. Somebody actually asked
Okay.
me to call me with their nickname. It's fine. I'm fine with it. Okay, Miss Puput, what do you do and what's your responsibility?
Same with Mr. Bagus. In PC, I'm in community service department.
Pardon? I cannot hear you well. Your voice is slightly breaking. Probably without the headset, it's better.
Hello.
Okay, go on.
Same with Mr. Bagus. And we see in this and community service department.
And what's the responsibility then?
Um, Unit research.
Oh, the research. Okay, there you go. Miss Pumput is trying to ask somebody else there. I don't know who. Oh, Miss Noor. Okay, because they are laughing together. Okay. So, Miss Noor, it's your turn now. Could you please introduce yourself?
Well, my name is Nur Rahmawati, but you can call me Wati.
Wow.
I'm in partnership and business development UISI.
Okay. Partnership and business
Yes.
development, it means that you are finding resources for the financial, something like that?
No, like I'm more legally issue.
Oh,
I mean, I I take the legally legally issue like
legally.
agreement. Yes, like agreement or memorandum like that,
I see.
kind of that.
So you are preparing those for the contracts and so on.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Nur. Miss Lisa, how about you? Miss
Hello, good.
Swati, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, go on, Miss Lisa. So sorry.
Okay. Good afternoon, Miss Teti.
Good afternoon.
My name is Lisa. My name is Lisa Riswanasari. You can call me Lisa. I'm a lecturer from in management department. My background is mathematics, so in management I teach more about applied mathematics for business.
I see.
Yeah.
Thank you for the short and concise introduction, Miss Lisa. Well done. Mr. Munandar, could we go to you?
Well, hello, Miss Tati. Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yes, very well. Thank you.
Okay. Well, hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Munandar Priyasudarmo, but there are a lot of type about how to call my name. Some other people call me Priyo, or some other people call me Priyo. But if I have a chance to choose, maybe I can beg to you to call me Priyo.
Trio.
And now I'm working at University of Internasional Semen Indonesia as a staff of admission and also promotion. And so that my responsibility has a responsibility to get some college student and also must to going to a city to another city to promote our university. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much, Mr. Prio. Okay. There you go. Very well introduction. Miss Nikmatul Aziza, could you please introduce yourself and how would you like me to call you?
Hello, Miss Tati.
Hello.
You can call me Iza.
Iza. Okay.
Yeah. My job in UISI is full of administration in department of uh, logistic engineering, manajemen rekayasa, and ekonomi syariah and chemical engineering. Staff project. My job is make a letter, self student and lecture.
Thank you, Miss Nikmatul. I keep saying Miss Iza. Thank you, Miss Iza, for
Yes.
the introduction.
Yeah.
Mr. Bagus, are you there with us now? Check, check.
Yes.
This is much better.
Yeah, you clearing my voice.
Clear, Mr. Bagus.
Okay, thank you.
So, which department are you in again?
I'm in department same like Miss Putri atau in research and community department
Oh, okay.
in UISI.
So, but you are not in the same room as Miss Putri at the moment.
On same room.
Oh, in the same room, but
Yeah,
because the
Miss
different
Nur,
background, so
Miss
I
Nur,
thought you were in the different room.
different. Yeah. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Bagus. Miss Yenny, let's go to you.
Thank you.
Oh, Miss Yenny has
Hello.
gadgets.
Good afternoon, Ms. Kathy.
Good afternoon. Miss
Yeah.
Yenny, you might want to turn off your other gadget's audio so it's not echoing. Okay, check.
Yes.
Still echoing.
Yes.
You need to go out from the other gadget's audio. So leave the audio from the other gadget. Oh, Miss Yanni left the gadget altogether. Okay, go on then, Miss Yanni.
Yes. My name is Jenny Arianti Utami. I am I'm staff prodi, administrasi prodi, finance, bagian finance.
Ah, the finance. I see. Got it. Thank you, Miss
Yeah.
Yenny. Would you like me to call you Yenny still?
Yes,
Still Yenny.
that's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I was informed that there would be 10 people in this class, in this batch, but apparently one person is not coming yet. So let's start our first session. If you have checked your book, I'm going to start sharing my screen. So if you have checked your book, we have 5 units in level 3. Each unit consists of the vocabulary and then expressions. And then we also have grammar point, pronunciation. And the last one is case study. Now, in the first unit, our objectives are these. Okay, as you can see from your student book, we are going to try to make and handle complaints. Hi, okay. Now, all of you, even though you work not for the customer service, there must be 1 or 2 complaints that you need to handle. Okay, for example, like Mr. Munandar there, he may not work for the customer service, but people will still complain to him if there's some problem with the ICT. Okay, so we are going to try to make and handle complaints, and then as for details, clarification, and then we're going to try to apologize and to thank. Let's try with this first one. I'm going to change the view. Okay, for the first one, we are going to try with the vocabulary. Some of these vocabularies are probably familiar with you. Let's try and say which one that you are not familiar with. Is there any word from these 10 words that you are not familiar with? None? Everything is familiar? Okay. If everything is familiar, I'm going to split you into 2 groups, and this is what we are going to do. I'm going to just take the easy route and split males with males, females with females. So Mr. Bagus, Mr. Munandar, Mr. Wahyu, and Mr. Agung, you will, oh, Mr. Agung was in the ICT, so sorry. Mr. Priyo was in a different See, this is the first session. I'm so sorry if there are confusions. Mr. Agung, Mr. Wahyu, Mr. Priyo, and Mr. Bagus, you will be in one group. Miss Lisa, Miss Putri, hang on, Miss Iza, Miss Puput, and Miss Yani will be in one group. Okay. We are going to try to complete this activity by doing the fastest one. Okay. So I'm going to ask you to annotate my screen. For the males, the men, you will use the blue color to annotate my screen. Okay. And then the females, ma'ams, ladies, you are going to use the purple color to annotate my screen. Could you please try and annotate my screen? You can type something on my screen. That's me. Others, please try to annotate my screen. Hang on, this is pink. who's using pink? Mr. Wahyu, you need to use blue. All the guys, you need
Yes.
to use blue. Okay, so
Sorry.
the males one, Miss Puput, you need to use purple. So we know this is a teamwork. Okay, teamwork. So Miss Puput, please use blue color. Purple, sorry. The males, please use the purple color. Okay, let's try. Purple, blue. I haven't seen any purple or blue on my screen. You don't have to answer it yet. Okay, Mr. Agung got the blue color here. Mr. Wahyu also got the blue one. Miss Puput. Wait. Miss Wati, don't don't fill it yet. Don't fill it yet. You need to try and use the purple color. Purple. Okay. So the deal is all the females, Miss Lisa, Miss Iza, Miss Yeni, Miss Wati, Miss Puput. Hello, Miss Hidayatul Munawara. You will use the purple color to draw the lines. Remember, this is to draw the lines, okay? And all the males, Mr. Bagus, Mr. Priyo, Mr. Wahyu, and Mr. Agung, you will use the blue color to draw the lines. Are you ready?
Sorry, Miss, what's the color?
Purple
for
for
me?
females.
Okay.
Females,
Okay, thank you.
purple, okay. When I say start, let's start drawing the lines. So for example, like this, okay? Just draw the lines. Ready? This is teamwork, by the way. So it's between the men and the women. Ready, get set, and start. Okay, who's going to finish this first? Mr. Agung, Mr. Wahyu, draw the line. Okay, there you go, Mr. Wahyu got. Miss Wati, draw the line. And you need to use purple to win the game. You cannot use pink to win the game, sorry. Oh, the men have got 4. Mr. Munandar, you need to draw the lines and you need to use blue. Okay. One more. Nobody got, oh, okay. The man got all answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now let's check whether the men got all the answers correctly. If they do, they won this game. Let's ask each of you to rate one number and then the answer. Okay, we'll start from Miss Puput. Miss Puput, can you please answer number 1? Delayed is blah, 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 blah.
Delayed is not on time.
Delayed is, pardon?
Not on time.
Not on time. Thank you. That's the correct answer. Everybody got it right. Miss Wati, number 2, please.
Appreciate is put high regard on.
Put high regard on. Okay, thank you, Miss Wati. Mr. Bagus, number 3, please. Mr. Bagus, you are still muted.
I'm sorry. Warranty meaning insurance or written warranty.
Got it. Thank you, Mr. Bagus. Miss Hidayatul Munawara, number 4, please.
Okay, refund means return the money.
Return the money. Thank you. Miss Iza, number 5, please.
Number 5. Inform someone. No.
Notify is? Pardon, Miss? Notify is?
Is inform someone.
Inform someone. Okay, thank you. Miss Yenny, number 6.
Apology is say sorry.
Say sorry. Thank you. Mr. Prio, number 7.
The meaning of convenient is comfortable, I think.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Prio. Miss Lisa?
Number
8.
number 8, resolve is find a solution to a problem.
Oh, thank you, Miss Lisa. Nice one. Mr. Wahyu? Complaint?
Complaints means protest of objection.
Thank you, Mr. Wahyu. The last one, Mr. Agung?
Sort out is settle.
Sort out is, there you
Settle.
go. Settle. Thank you, Mr. Wahyu. Mr. Agung, so sorry. Okay, I have some words here that I underline. These are the words that we can do better in pronunciation. Okay, when you see this word, oh yeah, oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot I'm using my basic account. So sorry. Hang on. It's okay. When you see this word, the G is actually silent. So you don't say hike. Don't push your the sound of G, hike. It's just high. So high, just like high. Okay, so it's not hike, but high. The same with this. The W in this is silent. So we don't actually say written. We just say written. Written, start from R. Written. Okay. There's a lot of silent letters in English, including this one. We don't say guarantee, but we actually say guarantee. Guarantee. No U. You don't have to make the sound of U at all. Just say guarantee. Guarantee. Okay. Oh, let's check. Because Miss Wati is trying to pronounce it. Miss Wati, can you please turn on your audio and pronounce it? Guarantee.
Guarantee.
Guarantee. Well done. Okay. Miss Putri, Miss Puput, could you please say this one?
Guarantee.
Oh, this one. The written one.
Written.
Written. Thank you very much. And then we have this word. Apology is the noun. This is the verb apologize. Okay. So apology is the noun. Apology adalah maafnya. But apologize is kegiatannya, meminta maafnya. So apologize. Okay, there you go. And this one is convenient. Remember, in English, we need to say V clearly. So it's not convenient, it's convenient, convenient. Ah, there, Mr. Munandar is practicing. I'm going to ask Mr. Priyo. Mr. Priyo, please turn on your audio so we can hear you practice loudly. Convenient.
Convenient. Convenient.
There you go. Convenient. Okay.
Convenient.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
And then this one. I know it's correct when you say sort out, but it sounds a bit not like native speaker. If you want to sound like native speaker, you need to combine the two. So sort out, sort out. Okay, sort out. Ah, I see Miss Isa is practicing. Let's go, Miss Isa. Please turn on your audio.
Shut up.
Sort.
Shut up.
Oh, wait.
Shut up. Shut up.
It's not sh, but S. Sort out.
Shut up.
I still
Shut
hear
up.
sort out. Sort.
Shut up.
Sort.
Shut up. Shut up.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we got a problem here. It's different between short and sort. Okay, so when you say short, you are actually saying the word, oh, this one. Oh, I'm going to type it in the chat box. Short. Okay.
Short.
This is short.
Short.
This is sort. Sort out.
Shut up.
Sort.
Shut up.
Miss Isa
Short.
still has difficulties with sort. Sort out.
Shut up.
There you go. Sort
Shut
out.
up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Sort out.
Shut up.
Uh,
Shut up.
keep practicing, Miss Isa. You can do this. Okay. The next one, we have this word. Okay. In English, whenever you see the last word with able, except for table, you don't say table. So it's not comfortable, but it's actually a bull. Comfortable. Comfortable. Okay, it's comfortable. Hey, Miss Yenny is practicing. Let's go, Miss Yenny. Comfortable.
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 There you go. If you want to sound better than just comfortable, you can put this into silence. Comfortable. Comfortable. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. Okay, Mr. Wahyu. Mr. Wahyu is also behind his mask, is practicing. Can we try?
Comfortable.
Oh, nice. Comfortable. Okay, so there you go. Please remember, whenever you see table at the end, we don't read it as table. Okay. For example, when we have this word, I'm going to use Google Translate. So it's easier for me to write. I'm not sure why I cannot use the okay. What's another word that ends with a bull? Can someone give an example? A word that ends with a bull? Maybe this one? Okay. How do we actually say this word? Anyone? Do you want to try to to say this word?
Which one, Miss? Sorry.
This one?
What the words?
Oh, can you see my screen?
No,
Oh, yeah.
I cannot
The screen
see.
is still late.
Oh, I see. Okay, so I'm typing DURAB, this one, in the chat box then.
Durable.
Oh,
Oh, nice one. It's durable. Thank you, Mr. Priya. How about the one that Miss Lisa typed? How do you,
likable.
likable? Got it. So it's not likeable. Ah, the most famous one right now. How do we actually say this word? Astaghfirullah. Mhm. Wait. There you go. How do I actually?
Instagrammable.
Ah, Instagrammable. Thank you. Miss Hidayatul Munawaro, by the way, how should I call you? Is it Hidayatul or Munawaro or something else?
Hidayah.
Hidayah. Okay, Miss
Hidayah. Yeah.
There you go. Instagrammable. Even there are so many Indonesians making the mistake of Instagram maple. I cannot even say it. So this spot is very Instagrammable. They keep saying that in their posts. This spot is very Instagrammable. I was like Instagrammable, mobile. Okay, so that's how we say the word. Okay, so the males won this one. Okay, it means that you will have more time later for practice 3. For practice 2, everyone, I'm going to put you into breakout rooms with a partner, and I'm going to ask you to try to answer all these using the words that we just talked about from practice 1. Okay, so how many minutes do you need in the breakout room to work with your partner to solve all these numbers? Less than 10 minutes, more than 5 minutes? How many minutes then that you need? Nobody?
It's up.
Up to me? If it's up to me, it will be 6 minutes only. But you are free to negotiate.